The lab that we're going to look at today, there are 4 different reactants that will be combined together in different ways. I wanted to give you a chance to see the properties of each of the different substances before we started mixing anything together. So there are 2 solid substances and 2 liquids. The liquids are water and a substance that we call phenol red, which is just an indicator substance that we can use. And the others, the solids, are sodium bicarbonate, which is the top one there, which you guys know is baking soda. So that's all that one is baking soda. And this lower one is one that you don't necessarily have around the house. It's called calcium chloride. It's still white, it's still a solid, but it's together in little pellets. So sodium bicarbonate, baking soda, you can see is a fine powder. It's dusty. When you hold it up to the black there, you can see that it's super fine. It leaves a dust behind. It's powdery, not granular at all. The calcium carbonate, when we look at it, literally just rolls around in the container when we move it. So lot different texture to it. It doesn't leave the coating on the base of the tray like the other one does. So those are the reactants that we're going to start with, and then we'll make observations of what happens, what changes take place when we combine them together in different arrangements. Okay, our first combination that we're going to look at has all 4 of our reactants together. We've got a cup containing the phenol red and the water. The bag itself has the calcium chloride and the sodium bicarbonate, and this one is that baking soda that we've got there. So we're going to take the cup, tip it to the side, pour the liquid out, mix it into the ingredients, and then just observe what it looks like. I think it may have produced a little bit of gas. So those bubbles that we're seeing are the production of a gas. We also can see that there's a color change that took place. So putting down the information into your products, whatever it is that you see as a property of our new substance. Reaction number 2, we're going to look at a combination just of the phenol red and the calcium chloride together. So we've got the calcium chloride in the bag and the phenol red in the cup. We're going to mix them together the way we did last time and see what happens. We're not getting the bubbles we did last time, but I'm going to let you know that this one is getting really warm as it sits here. So we've got a change in temperature and then this lovely pink color that has formed beside. So no gas bubbles. You see how cool those white pellets are still at the bottom as they continue to react with the phenol red. Okay, so you've got your products that you can make observations of the properties, and that was the combination of phenol red and calcium chloride. Next combination is two substances again. We've got the phenol red inside the cup and then the sodium bicarbonate, and this again is the one that is baking soda. So we'll put them together the same way we did before. So we've got a pink color again. I'm going to go ahead and feel it just to see. This one is cooler this time. So we've got a temperature change again, but the other one we got heat out of it. This one, the temperature has decreased on this one, but no gas. So no gas produced again. Color and some temperature changes there too. So these are the products that you get from these two reactants here. Next, we've got three of our chemicals together. We've got water this time without the phenol red. So water, sodium bicarbonate or baking soda, and then the calcium chloride here. And we'll mix them the same way to see what the properties of the product are. So we've got some gas bubbles going again. We do have a temperature increase again this time. We may have an explosion. Nope. Okay, good deal. So we've got our products here, and you can go ahead and use those in comparison to the reactants that we started with.